New Jersey Lumber Liquidators Inc. Installation Provider Bond. What is the New Jersey Lumber Liquidators Inc. Installation Provider Bond? The Installation Provider Bond is a form of surety bond required by the state of New Jersey for installation providers associated with Lumber Liquidators Inc. This bond serves as a form of protection for consumers against any potential losses or damages resulting from faulty installation work performed by the provider. In simpler terms, the bond acts as a guarantee that the installation provider will adhere to industry standards and fulfill their obligations according to the terms of the contract. Why is the installation provider bond required? The requirement for installation providers associated with Lumber Liquidators Inc. to obtain a bond is primarily aimed at safeguarding consumers. Protect consumers. The bond provides an additional layer of protection for consumers, ensuring that they have recourse in case of substandard workmanship or financial loss due to the actions of the installation provider. Ensure compliance. By obtaining the bond, installation providers commit to following industry standards and adhering to applicable regulations. This helps maintain integrity within the industry and promotes fair and ethical business practices. Enhance trust. Knowing that installation providers are bonded can instill confidence in consumers, encouraging them to choose reputable professionals for their flooring projects. This fosters trust and transparency in the marketplace. How does the installation provider bond work? When an installation provider applies for the installation provider bond in New Jersey, they must undergo a screening process by the bonding company. This process typically involves a review of the provider's financial stability, reputation, and compliance history. If the provider meets the bonding company's criteria, they will be issued the bond, which acts as a financial guarantee for their customers. It's important to note that the installation provider is ultimately responsible for reimbursing the bonding company for any payouts made on their behalf. Failure to do so can result in consequences such as loss of bonding privileges and legal action. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.